In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to make a QR code A4 page. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go and find your GIF or MP4 or an album that you'd like to share. Go and find the link for that. For in this instance, I'm going to put everything in my Google Photos. So the first thing I'll do is I'll be going to make sure you sign in to Chrome using your university student number, your university account. You're going to go to the Photos app. You're going to go and find the GIF or the MP4 that you'd like to share. I've got an album where I've stored these. So all they're going to simply do now is go and find this location and select the GIF that you want to share. Alternatively, you can also share the album as well. So then you can give us an option. Maybe you've done a few. That's totally up to you. So you can share the album, or you can simply click on the GIF that you would like to share. And then here we can just simply go and say, click on this photo. Click over there. And here you can see you can get link. Sometimes you must just make sure that let anyone with this link, sometimes these things are locked, so just make sure that it will allow you to share this with everyone. Okay, I'm going to say create link. Once the link's created, copy the link. Okay, then I'm going to go to a web page called qrcodegenerator.com. I'll share this with you all, so at least you have access to this. All you're going to do next is going to go and select an option where you can have either 300 pixels or you can simply type in 600. So these two will work fine. I would say go for the 600 by 600 pixel count because you're going to put this on an A4 sheet. So I'm going to use this one with no margin. You'll see it look quite neat. And here you can see it's about 5. Okay, so 600 by 600 pixels is perfect for what we're going to do. Okay, simply paste the link in here, press enter. Okay, so now this will generate the QR code. Okay, so you simply need to click on save now, make this a PNG file, and you're just going to call this GIF QR, and you're going to save this. You can just save it on your desktop because once you pull this into Google Slides, you can simply delete it. Okay, but maybe just keep this in a good location. Right, so once you've got all that information, you can simply just go back to your home page. So you can simply go back to your home page. Now you're going to go and open up Google Slides. Okay, open up Google Slides. And you're going to simply go and create a blank. So I had an old presentation that I can use in this instance. Okay, so just make sure once you've opened this, you need to go to File, Page Setup Manager. Okay, you need to make sure that it's an A4 size sheet. Okay, so 21 by 297, press apply. Now you can simply go and drag from your desktop, you can simply go and drag this PNG file in here. And you see I haven't had to do much scaling because the 600 by 600 pixels works well. Okay, now I can simply just put this very, very quickly, arrange on sheet and horizontal, arrange, vertical. Okay, now you can just use a bit of text. Please make these quite large and please make them black and white. We have found that the color QR codes do give us a bit of troubles to read from time to time. So grab some text and you can just type in. Okay, select all the text. You can make this justification, make it work from the center, and then you can just up the scale. .40 will work fine. Okay, and all you have to do now is you can arrange, and you can just arrange vertically. Arrange horizontally, and then if I can just move this, nudge this up. There we go. Okay, once that's done, you can now just go and say File, Download, PDF, and then you can go and print it at the university, or you can just print it at home. Okay, so just make sure Download PDF, and you'll be good to go. All right.